Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my July favourites, and to be fair, as I spent most of the month of July in Korea, a lot of this stuff, or pretty much all the stuff I'm going to show you, is the stuff that I took with me, which may be of help to some of you that are going to somewhere which has 90% plus humidity. In all fairness, my makeup did hold up very well out there, but it did get to a certain point in the day, like after hour 8, where I just became shine. That was it. Like no makeup in the world could hold up to it, and that is only because I had not been retouching it, powdering it down, that sort of thing, like a lot of the Korean women out there do. So anyway, firstly, let's ignore the hair. Charlene could not be bothered today, tipped it upside down, blow dried it, and we are baby Mufasa. The first thing I'm going to show you is the foundation that I actually took with me, and it was this one from NYX Cosmetics. It's the Stay Matte But Not Flat Liquid Foundation. My shade is in medium beige. This kept me matte pretty much throughout the day, as much as possible, like I said. And I combined it with the Nabla Close Up Smoothing Pressed Powder, which you guys know that I absolutely love. I've shown it in so many favourites videos. My shade is in medium. It really does help to mattify the skin. And then on top of that, my Huda Beauty Resting Boss Waterproof Setting Spray also helped a lot. I had to use all three of these in combination to make sure that my skin stayed as matte as possible for as long as possible. All three of these combined lasted up to 8 hours. After 8 hours, forget it. You just did not want to see the look on my face. I also took with me the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder, their banana powder, which I used to set my under eye concealer. The concealer that I took with me was my Tarte Shape Tape one. My shade is in medium. It's literally nearly finished now, but I used these two in combination with each other, and it kept my concealer crease proof pretty much around the same amount of time as the foundation, so 8 hours. That's why I said after hour 8, Charlene's face was a mess. My Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer, my shade is in deep brown. So actually what I'm using today, and I've been using so much for the past couple of months. I love it. It's got a really nice kind of easy to use nib on the end. It's like the ABH brow definer, but a lot more affordable. And then on the other end there's a spoolie just to kind of comb through and disperse the product evenly. This eyelash glue is now my love. This is how I have now managed to wear eyelashes again. I think I'm going to do a proper video though on allergies to lash glue, but for now, just to let you guys know, this one here, which is called the Secure Hold by the brand called Cardani. I ordered it from the US from a brand called Headcovers, which is actually a company that was started off by a woman who was going through chemotherapy at the time and wanted to create hair products, eyelash products, and so on for women that have obviously lost their hair, people that suffer from alopecia, and people who have therefore got really sensitive skin as a result of going through chemotherapy and radiotherapy. And so it's formaldehyde free, it's latex free, and I thought if it can work for them, what's the harm in me trying it out? Lo and behold, it is the best eyelash glue I have ever used, has not irritated my eyes, no flare-ups of blepharitis, and I am actually in love. The 3 blush type face products that I bought with me, and I would always recommend using something like this when you go abroad, is a multi-use product. First off, I obviously needed something for my contouring and bronzing, so my ABH Saddle Bronzer is what came with me. You guys know that I love it so much. I use it all the time to contour my face. It's the perfect mix of cool and warm. And then because I wasn't sure what clothes, what kind of makeup I would be wearing, I thought I would use or bring with me 2 of the ABH blush trios. This one is in Peachy Love, so lots of lovely warm toned orange sort of colours, and then this one here, which is called Pink Passion, with a variety of pink and plummy shades. My cousins used this as well with me, so it was multifunctional, that many of us could use it at the same time. But when you go abroad, it's always good to use something like this so that you can mix up your makeup and not have to just be restricted to using one thing. Now in terms of lipsticks that I brought with me, I didn't actually take that many. The first one was this one by Huda Beauty, which is one of her liquid matte lipsticks. This is in the shade Cheerleader. It's a beautiful kind of everyday red. It's not as bright as Heartbreaker. It's a little bit more muted, but I absolutely love to use this. Another one that I used when I was going for more kind of pink sort of looks, for example, what I'm wearing today. This is from Korea, by the way, in case you're wondering. And this is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Lover, and it is a beautiful kind of mauvey pink, but really great and looks amazing on all skin tones. And then another one that I took with me, I'm just showing you the set because I didn't take the entire set with me. It's from Primark. It's called the Berry Boss Lip Kit. They've got a variety of lip kits, but this seems to be the only one that I really like. It comes with a matte liquid lipstick, it comes with a lip gloss, and then it comes with a lip pencil. I don't know where the lip pencil is. But what I took with me was the actual matte liquid lipstick. It worked beautifully, it looked amazing. It's a really nice kind of plummy berry sort of shade. So again, wearable for all skin tones. The lip gloss is nice as well, but for me, lip glosses always tend to bleed. And I didn't really want to take that with me, knowing that I would be in such high humidity and it would start to melt on my face. So that's the only reason why I took this with me. So that's it for my short and sweet July favourites. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't worry, August will have so many more things. I'm actually wearing the new Stay Naked foundation by Urban Decay on my face right now. Loving it. What do you guys think? Loving it, loving the shade, loving everything. Oh, I forgot one more thing. I brought this with me. Don't laugh, you guys. Alright, so it's a lash case, right? The girl stepped on it in Korea. Look at the glass that came out. Here's some of my eyelashes that I took with me. But I actually didn't even use most of these. I just used the ones which I've got on right now, which are the Huda Beauty Camille lashes. They're quite light, but they still give that flicked up, wide-eyed effect. They're light to wear, they're easy to apply, and you can just wear them with all looks. So I have been using that quite consistently throughout the month of July. And that's it for my favourites on my lips. In case you're wondering, I just happen to have it here because I just topped it up, is the Colourpop Dopey lip liner, and then Pout About It lipstick from Too Faced, which is this gorgeous pale mauvey pink shade. And that's it. So I hope you guys are wonderful and great, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.